Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin. It's been going on a nice run the last couple of days, and right now we are approaching not only the top of this consolidation range, but also the bull market support band. Basically, we are approaching some very key levels, and many people are hoping that we're able to break above them and hold them as support. So, I'm going to be talking about if I think we can break these levels and what to expect if we are able to. So, first off, I want to point out that before we went on this little run that we're going on right now, we actually managed to hold support very nicely on the highest volume node of this yearly range, which is a level that we have found strong resistance on a few times in the past. And interestingly, the last time that we held this level for strong support was right before the second leg of this run in the summer, which also happened to be the last time that we broke above the bull market support band. So, some interesting similarities here. And I think this is a very positive sign, the fact that we are holding support on top of the highest volume node of this entire range, especially since the indications are looking so good. We're getting daily money flow crossovers. Seems like we could finally be bottoming out on the weekly time frame. So, as you know, typically when Bitcoin is above the bull market support band, things are overall bullish, and when we are below it, things are typically more bearish. And just based off of that alone, we have seemingly had a very strange year because we have just been bobbing up and down above and below the bull market support band. And it seems like we could potentially be heading towards bobbing back above it very soon. We actually just touched off of the bottom of the bull market support band. We got a little rejection off of it. And it seems like with some of the positive indications that we're seeing, like the momentum buildup, the money flow buildup, we could potentially make a run to the top of this consolidation range and even potentially break above the bull market support band. But we also have some other very significant resistances in this general area that I want to talk about. One very key resistance level that is right around this bull market support band is right around 47.2K. You can see we have two high volume nodes from two separate ranges here. Plus, if I pull up a fib from the all-time highs to this local bottom, there's a 0.382 here as well. And I don't have it pulled up on this chart, but also there is a yearly moving average here as well. So this 47K level is going to be very heavy resistance for us, and until we are able to break it, we run the risk of rejecting off the bull market support band and potentially continuing the downtrend. But if we are able to break above this level, the next major resistance level is probably going to be right around 50K, because if I pull up this volume range again, you can see it is the top of the colored in section, and it is also a significant support and resistance level. Also, there is a 0.5 fib level right here as well. So if we're able to break above this 47K level, we may still find resistance on this 50K level, but if we reject off of here, hopefully we are able to hold the bull market support band as support. Overall, it seems like Bitcoin is making a very solid run towards the bull market support band right now. Seems like we have a lot of momentum in our favor, and I expect Bitcoin to put up a fight here, trying to get above this level. And if we are able to get back above the bull market support band, then we could potentially see a drastic change in sentiment and maybe continue this bull run that many people thought were dead. But we can't get too ahead of ourselves. We are still below the bull market support band, but I do remain hopeful that we can get back above it in the short term. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Really appreciate the support, and I will see you all on Sunday for my next video.